Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to invite friends to join Remitly. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, all you have to do is to open the Remitly application. And once you've opened, you just get ahead to My Remitly by tapping on My Remitly on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you've tapped on it, you will be transferred to this screen. Head to the rewards category, and as you can see, there is a refer friends option. All you have to do is to tap on invite button. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you'll be seeing this prompt in which you can select in what form you'd like to share your referral link. So you can either send it via WhatsApp, email, messages, messenger. You can just copy the link. You could also copy or download the QR code and many more. Once you've selected an option, the link will be sent to them in which they can tap on and download the Remitly application. By the way, you will get a $20 discount after your friend sent at least $100 on their first transfer. Your referred friends will pay zero fees, get a special exchange rate, and $20 of their first transfer when they send $100 or more. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.